Hello everyone and welcome to another case study brought to you by Electronic Robotics. Today we have a quick case study for you where we will show you a robot that will be able to process a text file and perform operations in a program on the computer. We'll show you this bot's algorithm just a little bit later, but let's start by breaking down the step-by-step process. The robot will start by reading the contents of the text file, extract necessary information, open the application on the computer, and from there enter this information in the necessary fields to create an invoice. Here's an example of the kind of file we're working with. The robot will actually take specific information from this file. But with no further ado, let's run the bot and see how it works. Here we see our algorithm, and I'll just go here to the top and click Start. So the robot is scanning the file and running the program to fill it in. From there, it's going to go to the section with invoices and create a new invoice. It's going to fill in the data from the file, creating a new customer with the date, contact name, and the name of the goods. Then it's saving this invoice so that we can already go ahead and print it. And here is the finished product. Isn't she a beauty? The bot did exactly what we asked it to do. Everything is here. So let's now take a look at our robot's algorithm, and it's pretty straightforward. First, the robot's reading the text file, launches the application, and fills in the necessary forms. And yeah, it's that simple. And so that's it, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to find out more about the hottest RPA solution on the market, feel free to drop us a line at sales@electronic.com. If you have any questions about a particular use case, we can definitely answer them. Also, if you're interested in becoming a partner, feel free to drop us an email at partners@electronic.com. That's it. Appreciate your time. Have a great rest of the day.